How to change right now text option in Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So to do this, you have to head over to your Shopify admin pages and you have to head over to this online store theme pages, and from there you have to go to your themes and tap onto this three dot option, and from there you have to tap onto edit code. So after tapping onto edit code, you have to find the option called theme.liquid. So you can just search it up right here at the search bar, theme.liquid. Here we can see this option. Now you have to scroll down and search for the forward slash option. So here I'm gonna give you a pro tip that just press the Ctrl and F button on your keyboard, and search bar will be appeared on your screen like this, and just search for forward slash. Hit this button, you have to find it up, and there's here you can see this one forward slash option. You just have to paste it up right here. So just before that, here you can see this option head, you have to make a space above it. Wait. So I hope you saw this text right here. Here above the head, you just have to paste this link right from here. You just have to copy the whole link and then copy and paste it up right here. And there you can see this, hit that like button option. Now just remove it and enter any text that you wish to add, and then just paste the text or write the text and then save it up. So that's it. This is how we can change the text. This is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.